Rodilla, we roll out at sunrise, our wheels turning slow through cobbled German streets only the Rhine River knows. Through Marburg's soft hills, your bike right next to mine. Our days feel so endless, just like your vows and mine. No map can ever track how our hearts continue to grow. No one can understand our journeys, only we can never know. 100 castles, Rodilla, under endless German skies, all reflected so sweet in your loving eyes. From Marburg to Münster, another blessed ride. Yeah, I'll ride forever with you, my loving wife. Forever with you again and again. Through every climb, through every downhill glide, you're the reason we feel it all together. And at Rodilla, your heart will be your guide. No distance feels too much when you're right next to me. Every Rhine River bend adds to our history, the precious history of you and me. 100 castles under sparkling German skies, they're all reflected in your tender loving eyes. From Marburg's gentle climbs to Münster's rolling streams, you'll always be the maker of my most challenged dreams. And if the road gets rough or steep, we'll trust our love that runs so deep. Through every storm, through every bend, you're my grandest journey, my love, my wife without end. 100 castles, so magnificent to view, but none compares to my love in you. The glorious Germany bike trails, so wild and so free. You, Rodilla, are every place to me. Are in every place for me. We never want this to stop. We'll say no last goodbye. Just endless trails beneath Germany's endless skies. Rodilla, just promise to always stay by my side. Yeah, forever, my loving wife, with you. We will always